Welcome to my channel. In today's video, what are we talking about? I'm discussing how to cleanse your face using this amazing facial wand. This is the COSLUS facial wand. It is a vibrating tool that's going to help remove all of that debris, all of the environment at the end of the day. It claims to effectively clean your face 10 times stronger than just a normal face wash with your fingers. But I can tell you, if you've never used a silicone device, this one is top-notch, beautiful quality. These bristles are so soft. They're like feather soft. These are silicone. Now, as a master esthetician, I absolutely love removing makeup and washing my face at the end of the day using a cleansing wand, because you really do feel like it gets everything out of your pores. I'm going to show you one side of my face, just a normal cleanse with my hands, and then the other side I'm going to show you using the COSLUS cleansing wand, and I'm just going to show you the effectiveness and the difference and why it's so important to use a tool like this. Something that's unique about this one is it actually has a patented dual direction mode. So normally you just have one direction, but this one actually switches. So as an esthetician, when you wash your face, it's really unique. You never want to pull down on your skin. You always want to go upwards and outwards. So this wand has the option to switch the mode so that you're actually using the appropriate direction on each side of your face. Why does that matter? Because over time, as you wash your face every single day, if you're pulling down on your skin, which direction do you think your skin is going to go? So it's really important that you're using the correct, proper direction. So I love that patented feature here with this one. Also, isn't this color just adorable? I selected this color, but they do have some different options. This is how you charge it. So it just has this little port here, but this is waterproof, so you can use this in the shower, you can use this over your sink, but this is just so convenient to get that efficient, deep cleanse that all of us estheticians love. And if you've never used one of these wands, you may not understand that difference, that feeling. It feels like your pores can breathe after you've used a cleansing wand like the COSLUS. This one actually comes with a little mesh bag as well, so if you travel, you can keep this here, and I love that that is friendly for airing that out, so you're not going to get any bacteria if you dry this off after you use it, of course, but you can store this in this little mesh bag if you travel, and that will keep it clean. I absolutely love that. Seems pretty easy to use, but they were actually super thoughtful, and they actually included a little user manual as well on how to use that. But basically, you just keep this charged and you apply your cleanser right onto the device and you'll use it. Let me show you the comparisons. Let me show you how this works. 3 buttons, very simple 3 buttons you have on, and then you can turn up the vibration mode with this button, and you can turn down. Now this one in the middle, the circle, is how you change the direction. That's the vibration mode. You're going to slightly moisten the brush head with clean water. Then you're going to put a little bit of your cleanser onto the head of the brush. Now for the long press, you're going to get 2 seconds to turn on the facial cleansing brush, and you start the last used vibration mode and gear by default. So this has a vibration to it, so that's going to help break up any debris, any makeup, any oil, anything that's sitting in your pores, and that vibration is what helps to get that removed from your skin and from your pores. And once you're finished, you just rinse it off. You'll dry this on a towel, and then you store it in your little compartment bag. And now that I've cleansed one side with the cleansing wand, I'm going to show you the other side using just my fingers and my cleanser. And I want you to see how effective this cleansing wand is at removing grime and makeup and just the daily environment. Now, how I want to demonstrate this, I'm going to take 2 cotton rounds with a little bit of toner, and I'm going to swipe each side of my face. And this is going to show you the side that I use the cleansing wand and the side that I use just my hands. Can you look at this and believe this? That's how much makeup that was left on my face by just using my hands to cleanse. Here's a little closer look for you. I only washed the bottom portion of my face for demonstration, but I only wiped my cheek, and you can see that the side that I use the cleansing wand is completely clean, while there is residue and makeup left on my side where I just used my hands. So there you go. This is the difference in using the cleansing wand. It's incredible. I will tell you that once you use the COSLUS vibration brush, you probably will not be able to not use it because you will feel the difference in your skin. This is going to clean your skin 10 times more effectively just than using your fingers. So once you use this, I do apologize, you will be stuck forever wanting to use this, but it will make your skin look so much more vibrant, beautiful, and glowing, and then your skincare afterwards will just have a fresh base to soak up all of that wonderful skincare. And so I hope you enjoy this product as much as I do, and if you have any questions about this tool, please leave your comments below. As a master esthetician, I'm always here and happy to help, and I'm so thankful that you made it to the end of this video. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos in the future. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care.